Welcome to the Bosque Apartment intervention, a remarkable project by architect Aquiles Jarrín. This project is an intervention in a 112 square meters, modern apartment from the 1970s, located in the historic center of Quito. The main goal was to create fluid, undefined spaces, emphasizing the central role of the communal living area, blurring boundaries between different zones, and bringing nature indoors. Open space and natural light. The first step in the intervention was to remove interior walls, allowing better airflow and natural light, while introducing an indoor garden. Walls were replaced with windows leading to an inner courtyard, restructuring the apartment's layout and transforming it into a green, light-filled sanctuary. Structure and materials. Once the walls were removed, exposed concrete columns became the main architectural element, inspiring the idea of working with them as the core unit of the project. Their presence evokes a poetic dimension, likening them to tree trunks, turning the space into an urban forest. Innovative interior design. In this forest, new elements were created with similar dimensions, overlapping and forming new levels and an unconventional interior topography. These structures are three-sided units, with internal cavities, functioning as multifunctional furniture pieces, capable of holding books, shoes, or household items. Metal was chosen as the primary material due to its versatility and adaptability in crafting these elements. raw aesthetic. Another key intervention strategy was stripping the space of elements that concealed the raw beauty of its materials, resulting in a unique, textured environment. The unfinished, rough aesthetic gives the apartment the feel of a modern ruin, revealing its true materiality. The Bosque Apartment is a constantly evolving world. Its textures, levels, and overlapping structures invite residents to redefine how they interact with the space, offering an ever-changing experience. Thank you for joining this apartment tour. We hope this design inspires you to create a space that reflects comfort, beauty, and serenity.